Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mastery in Commerce. We'll continue with the chapter number 3 as we were doing in the previous chapters of our videos. The journal entry and the equation part we have already finished. Another very important thing which often is asked in the theory questions is the difference between journal and ledger. Ledger is the second book of accounting, while journal is the first book. We have done lots of journal entries, and that was a journal book which we were maintaining. Right, so if you see page number 61 of your textbook, on this it is given this sequence causes the journal to be called the book of original entry and the ledger account as the principal book of entry. So the book of original entry is journal, from where we start entering our transactions, right? So the sequence which we will be following in our subsequent videos, first is journal, which will be for sure posted to ledger. Then we will be maintaining the cash book. Then there are other books which you have to learn to maintain, and those other books are purchase book, then we have sales book, then we have purchase return, and then sales return. Then we will be doing bills receivable book, and then bills payable book. So these all will be covered in the subsequent chapters. Don't think that I have not explained these points. I have exempted them from my videos. These will be covering up later. First, I want you to be proficient in doing this first part, maintaining journal and ledger. This is the sequence of things you will be learning, that how the books of accounts are maintained, the different books of account, what is the procedure followed in them. Right? So I request you all to please note down with you so that you are aware of what books of accounts we are maintaining and why we are doing it. See, as a student, I was a bit confused that why suddenly this topic has started, why suddenly that topic has started. To make a synchronized way of learning helps you to understand that why this process is being followed, what is the reason behind it, right? So please see in your book on page number, the ledger account is explained to you, it is told to you what the ledger account is. Page number 72. Page number 72 of your book, it is explained the ledger. Ledger is the principal book of accounting system. It contains different accounts where transactions related to that account are recorded. So journal entry, how it was, we were recording all the accounts in one book. But ledger is how we are maintaining now each account separately, right? Suppose cash we are maintaining separately, purchase we are maintaining separately, bills we are separating, then we are separating sales, we are separating our debtors, we are separating our creditors. For every one we are maintaining a different book of account, right? So that is ledger. Now in your book, difference between journal and ledger is given on page number 74. You have to go through the difference between journal and ledger because it often comes in the theory questions. Journal is the book of first entry, ledger is the book of second entry. Journal is the book of chronological record, ledger is the book of analytical record. Chronological means one by one as it is given in the question, we are just entering in our book of account, right? Analytical is we are analyzing those transactions and which transaction is to be entered in which account, we are thinking about that, right? Third, journal is book of source entry, gets greater importance as legal evidence than the ledger. So ledger is not a legal evidence document. We are just maintaining it for our own what we say knowledge, for our own purpose. But journal can be shown for legal purposes also. Suppose any person is claiming that I was supposed to get this much amount, but I have not got this much. So accountant can show the journal entry that where it was entered at the time of sale or purchase, right? Transaction is the basis of classification of data within the journal. Account is the basis of classification. Means we are paying attention on what kind of transaction is there, then we enter in journal. But in ledger, we see whose account is this and then we enter. How we enter, that I will tell you. Process of recording in journal is called journalizing. Recording in ledger is called posting. So this may be asked in MCQs. This may be asked as a question. They may ask you to explain it, right? So whenever we are entering the transactions in journal book, then it is journalizing. And from journal book, when we are transferring to ledger, it is posting, right? Without wasting lots of time, I will first of all tell you what is the format of ledger account. Please learn this format, what format we follow. First of all, we have date, then we have particular. Over here we write journal folio, then amount, then again date, then particular, then journal folio, and then amount. This is the format of ledger. So again I am reminding you, learn the formats very carefully. You get marks for that. Okay, so this is the format of ledger which we will be following in the questions which we will be doing. Now we will come to question number 16. All of you please see in your book. Question number 16. Journal entries, all 15 questions we have already completed. So now question number 16. We will quickly draw the format. What is the process of doing this question? The process we are following is, first of all we will do all the journal entries and then we will do the ledger entries. I will tell you how we post them in ledger. Okay, let us start. This is very interesting. It seems to be very lengthy, but it is not. Question number 16 on page number 94. So I will quickly make the format. And it is credit. Okay. So now business started with cash 1,50,000, goods 50,000. So year is 2017. I am writing over here November 1. Now with cash and goods I have started. So what are my two things? Cash account debit, stock account debit to capital. I can make this as two entries also, but I can club it together also. Both are correct. Okay. So cash 1,50,000 and this is 50,000. So total 2 lakh is brought into business. Investment of capital. Just in short I have written. Now next is November 3. November 3 is purchased goods from Harish 30,000. So whenever we are making the purchases, Purchases are always debited. Purchase account debit. Credit the giver, Harish. 30,000. Being goods purchased. Right? Now November 5. Sold goods for cash. What I have received, debit what comes in, cash to sales. Sales is always credited. 12,000. I am not writing the narrations, just quickly finishing the journal entries. It doesn't mean you don't have to write them, you have to write them. But I know by this time you are expert in writing the narrations, right? I have to now explain more of ledger, how we are posting, that is why I am ignoring them. Now November 8, purchase furniture for cash. So whenever we are purchasing fixed asset, we write the name of fixed asset. Furniture account debit to credit what goes out, because my cash has gone when I have purchased the furniture. 5,000. Right? Now November 10. Cash paid to Harish on account 15,000. See, now Harish, how much I have purchased from him? 30,000. I have not paid him any cash. Now I am paying him cash. So debit the receiver. See, 15,000 only I am paying for now. Harish account debit to cash. 15,000. Right? Now November 13. November 13 says paid sundry expenses. So expenses are always debited. Sundry expenses debit to cash. This is also cash only. Sundry expenses. Actually, sundry expenses means the small petty expenses, the small expenses which we incur every day. Okay. Then November 15. November 15, what did I do? Cash sales. So whenever I am doing cash sale, I am getting cash. Debit what comes in. And sales is always credited. So cash to sales, 15,000. Then November 18. November 18 is cash deposited into bank. So who is the receiver? Debit the receiver. Bank account debit. Credit what goes out? Cash is going out. Bank account debit to cash 5,000. This is the contra entry. You remember I told you whenever bank and cash both are affected, it is contra entry. Now after November 18, 20. November 20 is drew cash for personal use. So drawing account debit to cash, because I have taken out the cash, 1,000. Now next is November 22. This is very important, please see. Cash paid to Harish in full settlement of account, 14,700. See, Harish was total 30,000, 15,000 I have already given in, 15,000 are still pending. Now I have settled the account with 14,700, and it means what? I was supposed to pay to Harish. Harish has given me discount of how much? 300. Right? So, who is the receiver? Harish is the receiver. Harish account debit to cash to discount received is a profit for me. So, I will be crediting it. So, it is 15,000. I hope till here everything is clear to all of you. Now before moving on further, I want to explain you that how, see, for making ledger you need to have these journal entries in front of you. Let us take a small example of how the ledger will be prepared. Any one simple transaction I will take. Suppose I have to make ledger of, I am not taking cash because cash many transactions are there, stock. How we write it? First of all, stock account. This heading will come. I am making ledger of stock. What is the format? Date, particular, journal folio, amount, date, particular, journal folio, amount. Right? This is what I told you the format is. So now stock over here, you remember this is the debit side and this is the credit side. This I remembered as a student, this is the to side and this is the buy side. Now very easy way to remember, wherever you find stock written, that entry will only go there. Okay, so stock is written where? Only one place we have written. Stock is written over here. Now stock is a 15,000 and capital is credited over here. So always remember, whatever accounts ledger you are making, its own name will not come over there. It will only record the other account related to it. Clear? So with stock, what is related? Capital, not cash, right? Because business was started with stock of 50,000, that's it. Okay, so this is two side, means wherever you see two written, that you will write over here. So year is 2017, November 1, capital. Capital is how much? 50,000 is only brought in, right? Don't write 2 lakh. Why? Because 2 lakh includes 1,50,000 of cash. Stock is only 50,000. So you will record only the amount of stock. Understood? So now nothing else will come in this ledger because stock has only one transaction. Okay? So what we will do? We will write the total like this. 2 lines you have to draw. Over here it will be 30th November. We have to close the ledger accounts. How do we close it? On the last date of that particular month. Okay. So these all transactions are of November. So 30th November I am closing this, and what I will write? Balance carried down. So what I have to write over here to keep the balance? 50,000. Okay. So the total of this ledger account is 50,000. Clear? Now we see the next one. Capital account. Now I am making the ledger of capital account. You have to every time write the headings because they carry marks. Okay. Now capital is where? Cash and stock. Cash and stock both are affecting capital account. Cash is buy cash, stock, which is the buy side, this is the buy side. So where it will come? Cash 1,50,000, stock 50,000, because these both are affecting the capital. Is there any other place you can see capital? No. No other transaction is there which is having capital, right? So again we will close this account 2 lakh, and on 30th November what I will write? Balance carried down. CD means carried down. So how much it is? 2 lakh, and I will close this total 2 lakh. 2 lines you have to draw at the end. Remember this. Clear to everyone? This is the way how we will be doing for each account. Now I request you all to make the ledger accounts of each account and try to understand how we are doing it. To make it simple for you, I will make one more. Suppose furniture. Okay, furniture account, if I draw, how it will be? Now furniture to cash, right? Furniture account debit to cash, which is the 2 side, this one. So November 8 this transaction was done. So cash 5,000. Nothing else is related to furniture. So over here I will write balance carried down 5,000, and then this way. That's it. There are further transactions in this question which are just what we have already done in previous questions. You can try solving it and then make the ledgers of each account. If you are finding any difficulty in making any of the ledgers, you let me know. The biggest ledger will be of cash, because cash is being used again and again and again. So wherever 2 cash is written, the other item will come on the buy side. As a student, I used to learn it this way. So I am just giving a shortcut to you, a key for learning it. If cash is debiting, then on 2 side capital will come. Over here cash is again debiting, 2 side sales will come. Which is the 2 side? This side. Which is the buy side? That side. Okay, so this is the information of the ledger account. We will continue solving the further questions. I will give you the practice of ledgers. I request you to please make the ledger of each account. For me, making every ledger account on the board will be difficult, but yes, in the comment box, if you send me any particular ledger you want me to make over here, I will make for you, if you are not able to understand how to make it, right? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Also press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I am uploading my video. I hope understanding of journal and ledger is clear by now, because these are the basic steps of accounting. Through them only you will reach to trial balance. Through trial balance you will reach to final accounts, which is the final destination for grade 11 accounts. Okay, so please go through everything, and any query, any problem you have, please send in the comment section so that I can reply it accordingly. So I'll end this video for now. In the next video, I will again be helping you with the rest of the questions given in the book. Bye for now.